Welcome back to WendyPaulet Consult TV. I'm Chinwe. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 self-help tools for personal development. Number 1, take stock of yourself. The way you can take stock of yourself is by doing a SWOT analysis of yourself. SWOT analysis is a strategic business tool used to decide whether you will enter a particular business or not. And I found that applying it to your life can be really helpful. SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. So in taking stock of yourself, you can write down your strengths and opportunities on one sheet of paper, and on another sheet of paper, you write down your weaknesses and threats. When you're not writing them down, pick up the one that has your weaknesses and threats on them and tear them to pieces. When you're not tearing them, fold them very carefully and toss them into a trash. The reason why you do this is because you don't need them. It's good that you put it down on a paper, and the best thing you can do for yourself is just let it go. Like, you cannot come and kill yourself about your weaknesses and your threats. Just throw them away and focus on your strengths and opportunities. Study your strengths and opportunities from time to time to see how you can leverage on them. And your strengths include what you're good at, the things you have, the people you know, your connections, your educational background, your experiences, your personality. In general, your strengths are the good things about you, the good things in your life, and the things that are going really well in your life. Those are your strengths. So from time to time, you study them and see how you can leverage on them. Your opportunities are your potentials and the possibilities you have to make waves wherever you are. They are basically any potential you can identify in yourself or within your immediate environment or extended environment that can propel you to the next level. So you find these out, study them from time to time, and see how you can leverage on them. Your strengths and your opportunities are your assets, and your assets are the things you can build on, and they have the potential to appreciate and propel you to the next level. The second tool you can apply for your self-development is to write down the things you can do from where you are without the things you need to get to where you want to be. The time I did this, what I wrote down are the things I needed to get to where I wanted to be that I didn't have was money and internet. So I asked myself, what are the productive things I can do without money and internet? And I came up with a list of things. I figured I could study all the materials I already had downloaded on my laptop because I like to capture information here and there. I download videos, lectures, PDF documents, and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, since I had the time, I could use it to study all these materials I had, make videos, and to make a video, I needed to create content for it, so it kept my creative juice flowing, right? Prior to that, I always told myself, I can't write to save my life. I don't know how people do it. They are so articulated, how they put down their thoughts. But then I told myself I could write as short as a paragraph every day. Like, it doesn't have to make sense. It doesn't have to be all articulated. Just write how you feel, write about the day, about people you met. Just write something down for the sake of writing. And since then, I've been writing to date. And then create content. Like I said already, I get to create content for my videos, and I also start creating content for my newsletters that I hope to send when I get internet. And that's how I learned how to do copywriting. For those of you that don't know, copywriting or copies are sales messages that you send out as newsletters. And it happened that when I created content for my video and did my video and wrote my copyright, at the time I needed it, I always had money and internet to share whatever I had. The third thing you can do to help your self-development, and one of my favorites on the list, is to write a letter to your future self. This is one of the best self-reflective tools you could ever use to help yourself out. Writing a letter to your future self is one of the most enlivening things you could ever do, that there is no way your life will remain the same when you're done. I've written like 2 letters now to my future self. I read the second one after I read the first one. When I read it, like, it brought me to tears. Like, I could see my life in 360. I was like, wow. And the funny thing was that the day I wrote it, I wasn't writing it like, let me write a letter to my future self. It was more like Chinwe in the future telling the Chinwe now how great her life is. So there's no need for her to worry now. But the day I read it, it felt like the Chinwe from the past wrote it to the Chinwe in the future. So it felt more like, hey Chinwe, I know you're going through this, but guess what's happening? We have everything we planned. Remember that job you're trying to get, you got it, and you did it so well, and it opened so many doors for you. So I could see my life in 360. It was like revolving in front of my eyes. So I was just like, I'm definitely going to write the second one. And the second one I've written, I sent it to myself as an email. I don't plan to open it till 2045. I really encourage you to write a letter to your future self, because it will help you see yourself right now through the lens of your true self. Because when you're writing it, you are free and you have this sense of it's an intimate letter between me and me, like just between me and myself. It's not about anybody else, it's just between Chinwe and Chinwe. So like I said, it's natural to leave everybody out of the picture and just focus on you. You get to see what you actually think of yourself. You feel your dreams and expectations for your life pour out of you, and trust me, it's a very beautiful experience. experience to have. It's also helpful in the sense that you get to put your personal identity in perspective. Kind of come full circle with your life in a visionary way. So I encourage you to do it. It will propel you to the next level of personal growth. The fourth tool on my list is be picky with your thoughts. I've learned both from other people and my personal life experience that my mind is very powerful, and so is yours. What you think, you become. Like, your mind basically controls and creates your reality. Very important to be selective of what you put in your mind, and most importantly, what you process in your mind. That's why a lot of people preach positive mental attitude. Knowing what I know now, I think it goes beyond just being positive. I sit and sort my thoughts by gauging how much it satisfies and empowers me, or vice versa. So when a thought about anything comes to me, I ask myself, is this satisfying? Is this empowering or not? And if it is, I'll continue with that. I'll start thinking about it more and just allowing myself to process that thought. But if it's not, I try my best to let it go or try to think about it in a new perspective. I must admit here that dealing with our thoughts and our minds can be very tricky, so it takes a lot of practice to cultivate this process. Also, how I judge if a thought is empowering or disempowering is how it makes me feel. If it makes me feel uncomfortable, weak, threatened, or like I'm not enough, then I know that's the kind of thought I want to continue with. But if it gives me joy, makes me feel proud of myself, confident, smart, beautiful, invincible, and all this good stuff, then I continue with it and give it all the airtime it requires. I think our emotions are very useful in determining where our thoughts are leading us to. So if it feels good, then it's good. If it doesn't feel good, then it's not so good. It's really not rocket science. Just go where the emotions lead you. That's why a lot of people tell you follow your heart. They say follow your heart because they know that your heart either projects pain or happiness. So when it projects pain, just retrieve, come back. You really can't die on the line. But if you project happiness, joy, confidence, then go for it. So now you know your emotions are like your internal GPS. When it feels good, it's a green light. Go for it. If it doesn't feel good, it's either a yellow or red. Either you change your perspective on it or you just let it go entirely. Like I said, you cannot come back and kill yourself. The final self-help tool that will take your personal development to the next level is meditation. I describe meditation as sleeping while you're awake. It's a process of letting go of all the million and one things your mind is thinking about and just focusing on nothing or maybe one thing that is not so interesting. I say this because I know how difficult it can be for you to silence your mind completely. So if you can find something that is not so interesting, that is boring, that you can just focus on, it will really help you to get into that meditative mood. For me, I could either focus on the sound of the fan, the AC, the breath coming out of my nose, the noise you hear when everywhere is silent, the light I see when I close my eyes, or just any other consistent sound in your environment. You can also play one of those musics for meditation. It helps you too. The reason I choose to focus on this type of things is because I don't really hold any strong opinion about them, like I said earlier. And most importantly, it will trigger any thought, which helps me meditate properly. Why meditation is so important to your personal development is because it puts you in that theta state or hypnotic state. In this state, your body is relaxed and your brain connectivity increases, which makes you more receptive to inspirations. In one of my old videos, I talked about how ideas diffuse. And depending on the receptive mode you're in, you could be inspired to an idea that could change the entire world. So it's always good to prepare yourself, get your brain ready to receive all those inspirations that are just flying around. It helps when you do it in the morning because you're just waking up and your mind has not gotten busy with thinking about all the million and one things it does normally. You could do it from 10 to 25 minutes. Mine fluctuates from 15 to 20 minutes on a regular, and maybe at night I can do for 10 minutes. So find your own rhythm and go with it. So those are my 5 self-help tools that can help your personal development. Number 1, take stock of yourself. Number 2, write down all the productive things you can do from where you are without the things you think you need. Number 3, write a letter to your future self. Number 4, be selective and picky with the things you think about. And number 5, meditate every day. That's all I have for you in this video. I hope you found it really useful. If you like this video and want to see more of it, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and you get updates whenever we upload our weekly videos. But first, you have to turn on your notification. You can also subscribe to our newsletter via the link in the description box below, and you get notified whenever we upload our weekly videos. You receive a business plan template once you sign up, free materials and personal updates from me that I just don't share anywhere else. If you enjoyed this video, like and share with your friends. You never know who you might be helping. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.